Get ready for a unique recipe.
Hello and welcome to Madhurima's kitchen. So today I'm going to prepare a recipe. It's a very common fish. We Bengali often use Mourala the Mourala fish, which is available during winter or some other time as well these days. So right now I got Gang Mourala, and this is bigger in size. So we often know about this Mourala jhal, Mourala tok, something like that. But I want to give a makeover to this Mourala, and I prepared a recipe that is a Continental recipe, which is Mourala in lemon butter garlic sauce. The recipe is very easy and very simple, and just go through the recipe and follow each and every step and surprise your near and dear one. So I had this Mourala with normal rice, plain rice, and you can have this with zira rice also. The taste will be really very good, and you can have this with any kind of herb rice. So what you are waiting for, just go through the recipe. I'm not going to do bok and I'm also drooling. So many times I prepared the recipe, and I thought to share this recipe with everybody so that you can give the Mourala actually khub beshi jate othe, and this fish really tastes awesome. The price is cheaper price, and you will get a recipe which is just like a restaurant. So what you are waiting for, just go through the recipe and do let me know. Thank you.
And these are the Mourala fish which I am going to prepare. So at a glance you can see how I am cooking, but entire recipe step by step you can get it in my YouTube channel, that is Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu. So you just go through it and get the recipe. After that you just prepare this recipe. So till then, enjoy.